For more such amazing videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Add 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour in a bowl. Now add 4 teaspoons of sugar in it. One-fourth cup of milk. And at last add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it well. Now take our chocolate. I have used 5-star chocolate, you can also use dairy milk chocolate instead. Cut the chocolates into small pieces. Now put the pieces of chocolate in a bowl. Keep that bowl on boiling water. Let the chocolate melt. Now add 2 teaspoons of milk in it. Mix it well. Our chocolate batter is ready. Now take a pan and apply little oil or ghee on it. Fill one layer of our batter in it. Now add our melted chocolate batter on the first layer. Now again add a second layer of our batter in it. Cook it on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. After that, pour the remaining melted chocolate on it. Our chocolatey breakfast is ready. Enjoy it. For more such amazing videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching.